So I was just, oh my god, look at this. How dangerous. Just beside this, there's a cat. Oh my god. I'm gonna pick it up. Hey little bird, come here. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna take it somewhere safer. Do not fall, please. I'm gonna take this bird very far from the park. Somewhere safer. At least safer from the cats. I've been walking for more than a mile, but can't find anything safer because I keep seeing cats. So let's go a bit farther. Let's see if we can find anything safer. I think this place is safe because I can't see any car or any cat. I mean, let's leave it here. Oh my god, I just... Shit. Little bird. I'm so sorry. Stand up. Stand up. Good boy. I'm gonna leave you here now. I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.